Pleasure to meet you, my friend.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
Hiccup. That is Toothless right there.
Yes.
Would you like
Look
to
at
say
your
hello to
eyes.
him?
Yes, of
perhaps?
course.
Okay, yeah. Approach him slowly, just like that.
Oh, you're so
Very
cute.
well done, my friend. Yeah, see, he's pretty friendly.
Yeah, amazing.
Come over. We can have them.
I can I take a picture of you too?
Oh, just
yeah,
us?
yeah.
That's okay. All right, that's right.
Oh, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
It was great meeting you and you
as
too.
well, Federico. Enjoy the rest of your day.
I will.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
Yeah.